This is the first time that I was out and about.
2026! Wow!
This is the kind of busy that I wanna be. Chica is nothing without snacks, so I'm gonna eat or run at the same time.
Touchdown.
Ha?
Saan man to? Sa mundo.
Touchdown.
Pala yung tasa. Kaya may-
Touchdown.
Oh, yes. Oh my God, na yung mag-focus. Sobrang ganda. Mag-focus ka.
Ang daming naging performance na naganap before the actual walk. Nung actual walk na, kahit na sobrang init, we didn't really did the full lap.
Maglakad sa tag-init. Ito ang trip. Ay, buti naman sa gilid.
I only did until we crossed papuntang pinaka-MOA.
Ganito.
Sila tayo. Thesis na lang. Ang pangit ng sulat. Wala pa nga eh.
So we're going to the market station right now.
Ayun, galing pala yun. Oo, sobrang distorted oh. Ang cute talaga ng pop-up nila. Para magka-high tayo. Narabitsa yun. Pagkain namin kasi uy, Devil Wears Prada, baka meron din na ay wala. Wala silang pop-up booth.
Yes, gusto ko lang po i-propose yung proposal. Title.
Continue mo, The Devil Wears
Prada.
Ibang word.
A few moments later.
The Devil Wears
Andito, nakapin.
Dem na may binili, tapos me na nag-swatch lang. Success! Nauuwi ako na wala akong binili. Nag-practice ako.
Second day, it was the first day of PAPCHA, 39th Annual Convention of Psychology Students. Upon registration na nagpe-film ako nun, nung turn ko na, ginawa ko palang patungan yung envelope namin na naglalaman ng waiver. We only remembered na nakalimutan namin yung envelope na yun until we were already inside and I was about to close my eyes to try and take a nap. Pagkapikit ko, lumabas sa isip kong picture o imahe is itong long envelope nito. Nagtiniginan yung katabi ko. Kasi, grabe, patulog na tong babaeng. Tapos, may naalala pa siyang something. May dala ba akong envelope? Sabi ko gano'n. Sa isip ko kasi, bakit ako nag-iisip about sa envelope? Tapos yun naalala ko, may dala nga pala kaming envelope. Kasi nung naghahanap kami ng upuan, ng mauupuan, upon entering, I don't have any envelope with me. Sabi, andyan na si Jody, magsisimula na yung program. Nakuha na namin yung envelope before kami mag-land.
We please proceed to meeting 7, 8, 9. Thank you.
Ma'am 2026! Wow!
Our keynote speaker is an emerging mental health professional
Emerging adult.
and graduate student in clinical psychology. Paano to every sentence? The strong foundation in both academic excellence. Sana matapos ko yung intro. 2021. Paano ba itong sasabihin ko? Graduating cum laude. And consistently recognized as a Dean's Merit Award.
Pagod na ako.
What paragraph pa lang yun?
Really an honor to be standing here in front of you.
Speechless!
Because I wanted to come up with stories and content that uplifts.
Sobrang dami na.
Iba talaga nabawasan. Iba na yung tao.
Ang dami na kayo uniform. Okay. Please lang, sana may food. Oh! Aww! Ikaw magbunot. What is the difference between implicit? Hindi pa po namin na-discuss.
Wala pa na.
Purple.
Kanya kin alam. Ito nga lang. Ay, pares ikaw din. Yan. Para tayo.
Thank you po.
Dapat saktong ano.
Oo, saktong 10. Tawid ba tayo? Tara na, tara na. Ganitong klaseng lighting talaga yung bed. Natural lang. Kasi yung mga kasama. Nakikita ko na naman yung mga photobooth na pinagpahan namin kanina. Ay, kahapon. Dami tao. Bago yung tsura ko. Ito lang yung aking bed ko. Hindi ako natutuwa.
I'm also glad that we did stayed until the end kasi ang ganda ng Transcendence. Like, especially the champion one. Ang galing na naisip nila yung Encanto tapos ginawang dance ka naman. Tapos meron ding TikTok brain rot. Akala ko, at first impression, oh, it's just gonna be hip-hop this, hip-hop that. But no, it's kind of confusing at first because bakit puro brain rot? Bakit puro parang nag-TikTok lang yung mga ginagawa niyo? At the same time, hindi. Kasi it's witty, it's chaotic, it's funny. It's the way it is. Merong 6'7", merong baka. Ba't kang ginawa yan? Kasi sobrang clean. Machi-machi pa sila ng damit. Futuristic and all. Para sa akin, para silang royal family. Masaya sabay-sabay.
Uy, ang ganda naman. Ay, puto, kala ko mo.
For that first day, sobrang tagal namin nag-antay na masasakyan for Alabang. I think 30 minutes or so. 4:45 na kami nakasakay dun sa van. Pero, hindi pa naalis. Kasi nga, nag-aantay pa nga, di ba? Tapos iniisip naman, sana may dumating na agad, sana ganun-ganun. Tinatry namin i-cope yung sarili namin na, oh, think positive, paalis din to. Until mag-8, may pumasok na couple para sumakay. And then, nawalan na din sila ng pasensya, umalis sila, tapos napapalit na panibagong couple or group of friends. We got home by 9. Parang mas napagod pa kami because of the waiting time to get home. Kasi sa mismong Papja event.
Hey, touchdown! Kama! Finally! Dami kong kilalang vlogger dito. Ay, pinapanood pala, hindi kilala.
Nasa tayo.
Ganito pala yung lighting nila lagi. Ganda ba? Spot ka? Oo. Iniyak ko kay LJ tong Lasal. Kasi after ng New Year, nagre-review na ako kasi, ay, malapit na Lasal exam ko. Parang hindi ko pa sinecheck kung ano yung announcement, kung ano date. Tapos malaman ko yung mismo araw na nagre-review ako. Nangyayari na yung exam. Yung akin, hindi ko naka-play sa'yo. Ewan ko. Wait lang, balik ka. Diba, gaganon tayo.
I'm back at the house. We're gonna do a much needed deliberation of what happened for the past few days. Hanggang ngayon, suot ko pa din yung damit ko kasi ayoko siya tanggalin. This is the first time that I was out and about with a backless top. I'm also glad about the photo booth there in collaboration with Papja because it's just 50 pesos for 2 pieces. In actual photo booths, it's worth 150 for 2 pieces. This is 50 pesos. I'm just starting out to like photo booth experiences in the malls. That's a good side quest for me. Mag-try ng photo booths. Lang ganda pala ng gantong ano. Masyado lang malapit yung mukha ko kanina. What else do I want to talk about? Oh, my commute. Yes. Also my first time to commute alone. I was confused. Like, huh? More than... No. After I got down the station, yun naman sa hindi ko alam. Like, nalito lang ako why was the jackliner. It was on the other side when I thought I would be on that kind of side liner here. And I was here. And there's no pedestrian involved. I have been in Manila for 3 days. And I don't want to go back yet. I'm kind of glad na I am not studying in Manila, even though I thought I would want to be.